In this video, I am going to explain about morphology of flowering plants. In morphology of flowering plants, we are discussing about parts of the leaf. In parts of the leaf, the first part is a leaf base, second part is stipules, third part is petiole, fourth part is that is a leaf lamina. Now, in this video, I'm going to discuss about stipules. What is the definition of stipule? The stipules are small green two lateral outgrowth of the leaf at its base of the leaf that is called stipule. What is the definition of stipule? Small green two lateral outgrowth of leaf at its leaf base is called stipule. Now, see, this is the stem. So this is the leaf. This is a leaf lamina, and this one is the petiole. This one is petiole, and both at the base of the petiole, leaf base is there. Leaf base. At the both sides of the petiole, two small green colored lateral outgrowth of leaf at its base of the leaf that is called stipules. Now, a leaf with a stipule, the leaf is called a stipulate leaf. A leaf with a stipule, that is called stipulate leaf. Example, rose. Next, a leaf without a stipule. A leaf without a stipule, that is called ex-stipulate leaf. Ex-stipulate leaf. Example, solar. Example, solar. Next, there are the stipules are found in many dicotyledon family plants. The stipules are present in only that is the dicotyledon families plants, but in rare or absent in monocotyledon plants. The stipules are absent in monocotyledon plants. The stipules are generally found in dicotyledon families. Next, the stipules. Stipules are protect. What are the main functions of the stipules? The stipules are protect end leaves and axillary buds. End leaves and axillary buds. Means the stipules are protect the end leaves and axillary buds. Next, so stipules are fall off before or after the leaf unfolding of the leaf. So that is the unfolding of leaf before or after the stipules are fall off. So these are some important introduction of important points related to stipules. So next in angiospermic plants, how many stipules are present in angiospermic plants? Now, generally that in angiospermic plants, the stipules are types of the stipules. Now we are discussing about types of stipules based on their structures. In angiospermic plants, how many types of stipules are present? The first type is called foliaceous stipules. Foliaceous stipules. The stipules are green, leaf-like, perform the photosynthesis, that is called foliaceous stipules. So, what is the first type of stipule? Foliaceous stipule. The foliaceous stipules are green, leaf-like, they perform in the photosynthesis, that is called foliaceous. Example, Pisum. Pisum sativum, that is the scientific name of pea plant. And Lathyrus. Lathyrus is an example for foliaceous stipules. So this is the first type of the stipule. First type of stipule. So next, second type of stipule. Second type of stipule, that is second type of stipule is called spinous stipules. Spinous. spinous stipules. The stipules are pointed and reduce transpiration process. Generally, that is a spinous stipules are that is pointed and reduce the transpiration process. That is called spinous stipules. Example: Gigipus and acacia. Acacia. So these two are examples of Gigipus and acacia. These two are examples for spinous stipules. Spinous stipules. Next, third type of stipule is called tendrillon stipules. Tendrillon stipules. So what is a tendrillon stipules? The stipules are thin. The stipules are thin, wide like help in climbing purpose. That is called tendrillon stipules. Tendrillon stipules are nothing but stipules are thin, wide like and help in climbing purpose. That is called tendrillon stipules. So these are three types of stipules are present in angiospermic plants. Angiospermic plants. So what are the tendrillon stipules example? That is the spine, smilax, smilax. So these are three types of stipules are present in angiospermic plants. So next, third part in leaf. Third part in leaf is called. Third part in leaf is called petiole. Third part is called that is a petiole. So what is the definition of the petiole? The petiole is nothing but that is the stalk of the leaf, stalk of the leaf, stalk of the leaf that connects the lamina with the stem is called petiole. So what is the important? What is the definition of petiole? The petiole is stalk of the leaf that connect the lamina with stem is called petiole. Now see, this is the stem, this is the stem, this is the leaf lamina, this is the leaf lamina, this is the leaf lamina, this is the stem. Between the leaf lamina and the stem, the small stalk-like structure is there. This is the stalk-like structure that is called petiole. The petiole is connecting the leaf with the stem. That is called that is the petiole. So the petiole is connecting between stem and leaf, stem and leaf. That is called petiole. So next, the petiole it helps in the conduction of the food material between lamina and stem, and also expose it to sunlight. What is the main purpose of petiole? The petiole is helping conduction of the food material between lamina and stem and also expose it to sunlight. So this is the function of the main function of the petiole. So next, the long flexible petiole allow leaf blades to flutter in a wind. There are by providing a cooling effect of the leaf. That is the it is also one of the function of petiole. A leaf with the petiole that is called petiolate leaf. A leaf with petiole that is called petiolate leaf. Without petiolate leaf that is called sessile leaf. Sessile leaf is nothing but without petiole. And a leaf with the petiole that is called petiolate leaf. So this is the introduction part of the that is the petiole. So next, how many types of petioles are present in angiospermic plants? How many types of petioles are present in angiospermic plants? Types of the petioles. Types of petioles. Now see that is the first what type of first type of petiole is called first type of petiole is called first type of petiole is called that is winged petiole. First one is called First type of petiole is called winged petiole. This one is winged petiole. So what is a winged petiole? What is a winged petiole? Flattened leaf with petiole that performs photosynthesis, that is called winged petiole. So flattened leaf-like petiole that performs photosynthesis, that is called winged petiole. So what is example of winged petiole? Citrus. For example, this is a citrus leaf. This is a petiole. Petiole. So the petiole is covered by a flattened leaf-like structure. This is called winged petiole. Winged petiole. So the winged petiole is observed in that is a citrus plants. Example, the citrus is the scientific name of lemon. So next, Nepenthes is also winged petiole. Nepenthes is also winged petiole. So this is the first type of petiole. So next, what is the second type of petiole? Second type of petiole, that is the second type of petiole is that is the tendrillon petiole. Tendrillon petiole. Tendrillon petiole means the petiole is modified into tendril that helps in climbing. That helps in climbing. The petiole is modified into tendril. Tendril. It helps to climbing. That is the tendril of petiole. Example: clematis and nepenthes. Clematis and nepenthes. So next, third type of petiole is called that is phyllodes. Phyllodes. Third type of petiole is called phyllodes. The phyllodes modified petiole. Modified petiole. Phyllodes is modified petiole that performs photosynthesis. Because suppression of leaf lamina is called phyllodes. Now, phyllodes is nothing but modified petiole that performs photosynthesis because suppression of leaf lamina is called phyllodes. What is the example of phyllodes petiole? That is Acacia melanoxylon. Acacia melanoxylon is an example of phyllodes petiole. So next, the last type of petiole is that is called the last type of petiole is called the floating petiole. So floating petiole. Now floating petiole is also called fulvinous petiole. Fulvinous petiole. Fulvinous petiole. The petiole becomes a spongy structure which contains air cavities, helps in leaves in floating. So the fulvinous petiole or floating petioles, the petiole becomes a spongy structure which contains air cavities and help in leaves floating purpose. This type of petioles are called floating petioles. That is example for floating petioles, Eichhornia trapa. Eichhornia and trapa. So these are the different types of petioles.